Ukraine's drone army holds a wide range of responsibility due to having a unique set of conditions, being able to strike a location with high precision, while being very cheap, allows them to conduct missions to strike trucks, armored vehicles, infantry, or as seen here, being used as demining systems. With Russia placing multiple mines over roads to stop Ukraine's vehicles, Ukraine can send their drone army to demine it ahead of needing to transport things over the area, destroying more of Russia's resources, leaving less for tomorrow. That's all I had for this video. Please like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching. Bye.